Welcome back, everyone. Happening today, UTPA will team up with the Texas Department of State Health Services for a town hall meeting. It's part of the Speak Your Mind Texas campaign. It opens up a discussion on mental health and substance abuse in the community. The speakers and professionals, including counselors, will be on hand. They're going to touch on a wide range of issues that affect college students and how victims can get help at a low cost. It's going to get underway at 6 o'clock in the University Ballroom. And right now, experts are delving deeper into how mental illness may play a role in tragic occurrences like mass shootings. Turns out it's a lifelong problem, with over half of cases diagnosed before the age of 14. This morning, we welcome Mauro Ruiz, who's with the Department of State Health Services, to explain their new campaign and what the message is that you're trying to get across. Thanks so much for being here with us this morning.
Thank you, Victoria, for having us.
So let's talk about mental health. Why did you guys decide that this was a topic that you needed to discuss with the community and really put a platform out there for everyone?
It started with the Texas legislature appropriating money for mental health services and public awareness. So the funding came through our agency, the Department of State Health Services, and part of that funding is going through public awareness about mental health. Such a big part of the problem is related to the fear and misperceptions about mental health and substance abuse. So our intent through this campaign is to talk about it, open, honest communication about mental health and substance abuse. So we're holding these community conversation events across the state. There's 16 of them. We've recently had one in Houston, one in Fort Worth, and we're planning 2 of them in the Valley next week. And
here in the Valley, they're going to be at the universities, which is UTPA and UTB.
That's right.
And why'd you choose colleges to do this at?
A large part of the focus is teens and young adults. Half of mental health issues start before the age of 14. So a lot can be done if we can identify early and be able to treat. And we can prevent a lot of the co-occurring substance abuse issues that we see related to mental health.
Yeah, and substance abuse is the result of sort of maybe the mental issues, the mental health issues that you may have. And so 50% before 14, 75% before 25, and those are huge numbers, and you want to curb it because those are such vulnerable ages.
Exactly. There's a lot going on at that age, and really we want to educate the community, people who interact with youth, people who families and anybody that works with youth, be able to identify some of in many times, the very simple signs that we can learn and be able to refer somebody to the appropriate healthcare provider.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being here this morning. Really quickly, where are they going to be and at what time?
Yes. On Monday, July 14th, we're going to be at UTPA, UT Pan American, from 6 to 9 o'clock. It's a community conversation. Everyone's invited to attend. We welcome everybody to participate. There's a community conversation where we want information about mental health and substance abuse. And then the other event is at UT Brownsville on Wednesday, July 16th from 6 to 8:30 p.m. You can get more information at speakyourmindtexas.org.
And you can also get that at valleycentral.com. Thank you so much for being here with us this morning. We'll be back in just a moment.